Have you ever wondered what goes on at your door while you're not home? We're going to explore the world of doorbell cameras today, your quiet protectors. In order to uncover the stories collected at your front door, please press the subscribe button, ring the bell, and join me before we dissect the technology and features. Now let's get started. The AOSU video doorbell camera is the first item on the list. Using 7 sophisticated, ultra-clear optical glass lenses with WER, this gadget has a 5 megapixel LHD resolution, which is 40% better than 2K, ensuring sharp, detailed images in any lighting condition. It's equipped with triple motion detection, thanks to advanced radar and PIR sensors. No false alerts here, with 60 days of loop recording stored directly to your home base with built-in HEB memory. There are no monthly fees. And get this rechargeable battery that lasts an impressive 180 days from just one charge, and a wide 166-degree field of view that leaves no blind spots. Let's move on to the Reolink Video Doorbell Pro. This 2K plus resolution doorbell provides richer details and is at least twice as clear as the 2 megapixel. It is very easy to install and requires only one wire for a solid network and constant electricity. With its infrared LED, you can enjoy high-quality night recording and customized motion zones, including one where you may configure it to turn off unwanted alerts. You can easily converse with guests thanks to the doorbell's integrated microphones and speakers. Additionally, supported by the Reolink Video Doorbell Pro are other recording options, such as local storage to a Reolink NVR or a Micros card up to 256B. It's time to discuss the Remobell S, the best smart doorbell that runs on the wire in your current doorbell. With its high-quality video, two-way speak capability, live on-demand streaming, and infrared night vision, it provides continuous 24/7 monitoring and guarantees a thorough view of your home's entry. Create custom motion zones with a 180-degree range of vision, and whenever there's motion, instantly push notifications to your smartphone. Remobell SE is the Wyze option for contemporary living, with free rolling video storage for up to 3 days, shared access for up to 5 people, and connectivity with IFTTT, Google Assistant, and Amazon Alexa. Now, let's talk about the Wyze Video Doorbell Pro, a mini doorbell camera that packs a punch. This wire-free, screw-free, hassle-free device can be effortlessly mounted in under 30 seconds. With a 1440 into 1440 sensor, it provides 33% more clarity than traditional HD cameras. Enjoy up to 3 months of battery life and choose from 20 unique chimes to personalize your experience. Wyze offers an optional cam plus upgrade, providing real-time alerts and 14-day cloud storage for an enhanced security experience. Now, let's take a closer look at the Arlo Video Doorbell. Offering 2K HDR video, this doorbell allows you to zoom in for important details like eye color, license plates. For extra security, turn on integrated siren, participate in clear two-way audio, and receive phone notifications. Select between a hardwired or wire-free installation to ensure uninterrupted electricity. Arlo offers cutting-edge features to up your home security game, such as a 1-ratio view and different charging choices. Let me introduce you to the Ecobee smart doorbell camera. You can answer your door and interact with visitors from anywhere with this device's full HD, 1080p HDR, and two-way speak features. It has superior radar verification, motion, human, and package recognition, as well as customized activity zones, and it integrates smoothly with Apple, HomeKit, and Alexa. Ecobee is a wise choice for your home because of its industry-leading head-to-toe field of vision, extreme weather durability, and 2 free months of Ecobee Smart Security, which includes round-the-clock expert monitoring and 30-day video storage. Last but not least, we have the Ring Battery Doorbell Plus, a strong contender for the title of the Best Buy doorbell camera. With head-to-toe TG-free video, color night vision, and motion detection, it provides a broader perspective of your doorstep activity. The exclusive package alerts feature, available with a Ring Protect subscription, keeps you in the loop about delivered packages within designated zones. Enjoy the convenience of the quick-release battery pack for effortless recharging and a hassle-free setup via the Ring app. Consider it if you're looking for a reliable and widely recognized doorbell camera. That's everything for now, everyone. With a unique combination of capabilities to improve your home security, here are 7 amazing smart video doorbells. Which one caught your eye? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to share, and subscribe for more tech reviews. Until next time, stay secure and stay connected.